Samsung or iPhone, the battle of the giants. Let's break down and see which one is right fit for you. Firstly, let's talk design. iPhones have a sleek, minimalistic look with the premium materials like aluminum and glass, and Samsung offers more variety from their sleek Galaxy S series to affordable phones like the Galaxy Z Flip and Fold. Both are stylish, but Samsung gives you more options to choose from. iPhone runs on iOS, smooth, secure, and super user-friendly, especially if you already own other Apple devices. And Samsung runs on Android with their One UI skin, which is customizable and feature-packed. If you love tweaking your phone's look and feel, Samsung is the way to go. iPhones are powered by Apple's A-series chip, known for being some of the fastest processors in the market, and Samsung's high-end models like Snapdragon or Exynos chip offering great performance as well. Both are excellent in for gaming, multitasking, and more. In the camera, it's a tough call. iPhones are known for consistent quality, natural colors, and amazing video recording. Samsung, especially with its flagship models, offers vibrant photos, more camera features, and zoom capabilities that iPhone can't match yet. For the price, iPhones are premium priced, but they hold their value better over time. For Samsung has options for every budget, from entry-level Galaxy A series to the premium Galaxy S and Z series. So, which is the best for you? Choose iPhone for a seamless ecosystem, smooth performance, and top-notch reliability. And go for Samsung if you want a variety, customization, and cutting-edge innovation like foldable phones. Let me know your choice in the comments. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.